If you are looking for a particular product, log into your dashboard. There are two ways to find your desired product. You can navigate to the product page and look for it alphabetically, or you can use the quick search bar with the product name. Once you found your product, open it and access information about its relevant specifications. If you would like to quickly access this product in the future, you can add it to your favorites. When a product is added to your favorites, you can stay up to date on the latest news and insights. If you are not able to find the product you are looking for, or would like to browse for the right product, you can use filters and find products by application, category, functionality, origin, and special offer items. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.